Hello guys, my name is Sage. Today we are going to talk how to make a Instagram bot from Python programming language. Without wasting time, let's get started with Saga code.
Hello guys, my name is Sagastine with Saga Code. So today we are going to see how to make an Instagram bot with Instapy. This is a library to unfollow followers easily. You are welcome. This is Saga Code. So here are some steps you are going to use to do this bot. First of all, install Python and then install Instapy library, and then you are going to install it by using this command in cmd. You write pip install Instapy, then you will get the code from the link I will provide. I have provided it in the description. Then, so as to be better, you have to install Mozilla Firefox. So let's get started. So here I have an account. This is my account. So you see that I'm following 55 people, and I want to unfollow them easily using a bot. You see that I have 55 followers. So to get started, you have to first install Python on your computer. So I will put the link in the description. So you come here and download Python 3.9.6. And if you, for me, I already installed. So, and you come here, install the Instapy. You get this text and copy it in cmd. You open cmd command prompt and then copy this text and then paste and run. For me, I already installed it, so I can continue while it is downloading. So as I have already told you that this Instagram has 55 followers, so I'm going to unfollow them using my py my Python bot. So let's check. I have already installed it. Okay, so let's go to my Python code. So here I have my Python code. See, only around 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. This boot is made of 4 lines. So first of all, you have to import the Instapy from the library, and then import this mat run is to help the the bot to run well on the browser. And here you start the sessions, the login session. Here is the username you use on Instagram, and the password you use. I will change this password when I finish recording. And this headless browser is to allow, when it is false, it allows the boot to open your browser. But if you don't want it to open the browser, you have to write true. Then session, after the session has when after you have logged in, you come here and unfollow users amount. I want to unfollow 10 people. Yes. So here is the code. So To run this code, you have to go the place where these these codes are saved. This file, the file is called insta.py, so it is saved here. Then you click here, you write cmd. You see that the the command prompt has opened in the insta insta folder. I write deal to confirm that it is there. See that it is here, Instapy. So then to run, you have to write py space insta insta.py. Then click enter. The py is going to run the boot. So it takes some time to run. It takes a little bit. Now it is starting. It takes some time. Wow, wow, wow. You see that the boot is opening the browser. I'm not doing anything. The mouse is here. The boot is opening the browser. Wow, 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 wow. You see, I'm not doing anything. The boot is just doing everything. It is directing to Instagram. You see that the connection is good. So the session has started to my account, Brianna underscore 96. You see that the boot is now opening Instagram. Now it is going to log in. Let's take a look. You see that it is directing it to Instagram. It is my mouse is here. It is not me doing it. It is a bot. This Python bot that we have just created. Now it is trying to log in. You see, it is typing the password. Now it is logging in. See, the mouse is here. Now it has already logged in. You see, it, the bot have just logged in. You see, my mouse is here. Now it is going to check if the profile is correct. You see that now you see that I have 55 followers. It is going to unfollow 10, like how I said in the code. Unfollow 10. It is going to unfollow 10 people. So let's take a look. It is now starting to unfollow. You see, it is going to unfollow this person. You see, now unfollowing this person called 1s5 underscore Hazem. You see, it is unfollowing him. It takes some time. You see, I'm not doing anything. It is a bot. The bot is doing it. You see, my mouse is here. I'm not doing anything. It takes some real time. You see that? Now it is going to unfollow another person. It takes some time. Yes. Guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. It is called Sagastain. I have more things to do for you. It takes a little time. I'm not using it. It is a bot. This is how you can automate your life easily with Python. So guys, remember when I was starting with 55 following. I was following 55 users, and I said my bot should unfollow 10 people. So I think it should be 45. So let's go and check if the bot have unfollowed all those people. Wow, wow, wow. The bot have just unfollowed 10 people. Let's refresh again. You see, the bot have unfollowed 10 people. It was 55 at the beginning, and now it is 45. So 10 people have been unfollowed. So you can change and you put another number you want, but not above 150 because Instagram can block you. So guys, thank you. Please subscribe on Saga Code.